So over here you can see that I got a bunch of video footages, and if I were to play this, you can see that it actually has a lot of effects and it is playing smoothly. But as you add in more and more effects, let's say for example, I'm going to add in some lomography right here. I'm just going to remove this out and then add in some effects just like this. So I added in one effect right here. I added in another effect, let's say for example right here. There's purple Lomo, and then that's it. So if I were to play this now, this is how it actually looks like. And in my case, it has not really slowed down that much. But if you are actually using a computer that is not very powerful, and if you have a lot of footages, then what happens is that you might notice that the video starts to stutter. So in that case, what you can do is you can change around the preview quality so that whenever you're working around with video footages, the quality of the video is lesser so that it's much more easier for your computer to process it. And then when you export it, it'll be high quality. So over here you can see that if I were to go around, you can see that full is the playback quality right now, so which is not really affecting. But if you notice slowdowns, you can go over here and render it in half the resolution. You don't really see a change. That is because the video size over here is already half. So this is my full monitor, but over here this is the portion that is being rendered out. So you don't really notice a difference right here. If you still notice a slowdown, you can go over here and go into 1:4 as well. And still you don't see much more noticing right here, but you can see that whenever you pause the footage, it renders high quality, but whenever you play it, now you can see that there's a bit of a pixelation right there. This is just for preview, so when you render it, it won't really affect it. If it's even slower, you can go all the way up to 1:16 as you can see. So if you were to actually play this, now you can see that the videos are really pixelated, but it becomes very smooth to actually preview that out to see how that looks. And then what happens is that it uses a lot less computer resources to help you out. So later on, if you want to turn back, you can go back over here again, and then that's it. You can just go around and work as usual. So that is how you can work around with the preview quality of the footages inside of Filmora while you're editing. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.